So this is the part where I'm gonna put the TV and things. I don't want you to catch my reflection here, oh my God. But this is the living room. And I have some stuff that I'm moving in here. So this is the stove and the microwave. So yeah, I'm not cooking my things. I'm just placing them down there for now. This is the fridge that we have right now, but I'm going to add another fridge over here because I have a lot of food, okay? I don't want to run to the grocery store all the time. So this is the smaller room. This is the smaller room's bathroom. It's a 2-bed, 2-bath. And this is my bathroom. And then there's a little closet, things like that. And this room is so big, like it's so big in person, like. And then this is my walk-in closet, and I'm gonna put a chandelier right there. So, hallway. Yeah. Probably gonna put a dining room right there. Pantry. And yeah, this is the sink and everything. It is very nice in here. I love it. Okay, so